Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about how blockchain technology could transform our future. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. The technology known as blockchain is a new method of storing and exchanging information, and it has the potential to transform the way we do business, manage assets, and communicate with one another. Blockchain technology was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. However, just like any other emerging technology, blockchain comes with both advantages and drawbacks. In order to assist you in comprehending the effect that blockchain technology has on our world, we are going to examine both sides of the coin in this essay. A database obviously contains data. A ledger is an account book where transactions are entered. The ability to update a blockchain is shared among the nodes or participants of a public or private computer network. A blockchain is a sort of distributed database or ledger, one of today's top technological developments. Distributed ledger technology is what this is. Digital tokens or money are used as incentives to encourage nodes to update blockchain. The strength and beauty of blockchain have already had a significant positive impact around the globe. As an illustration, at the height of the pandemic, when millions of people were in urgent need of effective COVID-19 vaccines, our company developed a smart vaccine tracking system using blockchain to ensure the hassle-free distribution of life, saving vaccinations around the world under strict temperature control. The blockchain tracking system also helped reduce the amount of spoiled vaccines that had to be thrown out due to exposure to extreme heat or cold, which ensured that they reached the people who needed them around the world in record time, while also lowering the costs that governments had to pay pharmaceutical companies to purchase them. The benefits that can be obtained from using blockchain technology. One of the most significant advantages offered by blockchain technology is that it may serve as a secure and unchangeable medium for the exchange and storage of data. Nobody is able to change the information that is stored on the blockchain because it is a decentralized system that does not have a central authority. Because of this, it is an excellent choice for storing private or confidential information, such as financial or personal transactions. Another advantage is that blockchain technology has the ability to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions that do not require the involvement of middlemen, such as banks or other financial entities. This has the potential to reduce prices and speed up transactions, both of which would be game-changing developments for the banking industry. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies based on blockchain technology have already shown that they have the potential to dismantle traditional banking systems. The ability to create smart contracts, which are agreements that carry out their own terms and can be pre-programmed to take effect when certain conditions are satisfied, is another significant advantage offered by blockchain technology. Smart contracts can be designed to carry out their terms automatically. This has the potential to significantly simplify the operations of a firm and remove the need for any intermediaries, such as attorneys or accountants. The transparency of blockchain, which enables everyone to view the transactions that have been recorded there, is one of the technology's most significant advantages. This openness may contribute to greater systemic responsibility and trust. Blockchain technology does, however, have significant drawbacks. The scalability of blockchain is one of its primary issues. The number of transactions that can be completed simultaneously decreases as more users use the blockchain. If blockchain is going to be widely adopted, then this issue needs to be solved. Blockchain's lack of regulation is another drawback. Blockchain is decentralized, so it cannot be regulated by a single entity. Businesses that must adhere to regulations may have issues because of this lack of regulation. Blockchain may also make it easier to engage in criminal activities like money laundering and the sale of illegal items, which is a possible drawback. Because blockchain is decentralized and anonymous, it might be challenging to trace the origin of transactions. Blockchain makes it possible to permanently, transparently, and immutably record data and transactions. In consequence, this enables the trade of anything with value, whether it be a tangible object or something less so. Three main features define a blockchain. A blockchain database must, first and foremost, be cryptographically secure. Therefore, two cryptographic keys are required in order to access or contribute data to the database. A public key, which is essentially the database address, and a private key, which is a unique key that must be verified by the network. The second is that a blockchain is an entirely online transaction record or database. A blockchain is a database that is shared across a public or private network. The Bitcoin blockchain is one of the most well-known public blockchain networks. Anyone can create a Bitcoin wallet and join the network as a node. Some blockchains can be exclusive networks. These are more relevant to banking and fintech since such industries require transparency regarding participants, data access rights holders, and private database key holders. Consortial blockchains and hybrid blockchains are two more forms of blockchain that incorporate various features of both public and private blockchains. A block is where the records of all the transactions are kept when data on a blockchain is accessed or changed. Through the use of distinctive, immutable hashes like those produced by the SHA-256 algorithm, stored transactions are encrypted. Older data blocks are not overwritten by new ones. Instead, they are added together to allow for the monitoring of any changes. Additionally, since all transactions are encrypted, records are unchangeable, allowing the network to detect and reject any alterations to the ledger. As transactions are sequentially and indefinitely recorded, and these blocks of encrypted data are continuously chained to one another, a flawless audit history is created that enables access to previous iterations of the blockchain. The majority of nodes, often referred to as consensus mechanisms, must verify and certify the legality of new data when it is uploaded to the network based on permissions or financial incentive. A new block is made and added to the chain when agreement is reached. The blockchain ledger is then updated on all nodes. The first node in a public blockchain network to credibly demonstrate the authenticity of a transaction is rewarded financially. This procedure is referred to as mining. The use of blockchain technology has the potential to transform how we do business, manage assets, and communicate. However, blockchain offers advantages and disadvantages, just like any new technology. The main advantages are its transparency, capacity for peer-to-peer transactions, and smart contracts. The main drawbacks are its scalability and lack of regulation. Blockchain technology will advance and have a significant impact on the globe in the future, despite its current difficulties. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.